Hello, my plan today is to dismantle the brassica cage that's behind me here, and if I can I'll be taking it down completely. I'll be reusing the netting and reusing the chicken wire that's in it and reusing the wood that makes the frame, but I want to clear this space for this year, put something else in there. I put this together last year to grow brassicas in it. I used all this netting to try and deter cabbage white butterfly and cabbage moth. And that's been fairly successful, not 100% because this netting has holes in it, so a couple have been able to get through. But I thought this year I would put a whole load of currant bushes and some flowers in here as well, or in this space. It may well be that I'll change my mind by the time I've taken it apart, but to be able to do that I need to dismantle this, and we'll see how we get on. Well, I'm now at a point where I need to get the screwdriver. Thank you, turkeys. Well, I'm now at a point where I need to get the screwdriver to undo a few screws, and then I can get the last of the netting off along there, because that actually goes from the top down underneath a piece of wood and back up, so it's secured on with some wood. So I need to get that off, and I also need to do something with this central support beam across here, just so that I can get the netting. Let me show you. So I can get this netting to come down. It will provide a little bit of wind protection for the turkeys in there, and this actually goes all the way across their pen. Stop them getting out from above, so I'll just carry on running this down here, then I can start clearing up. I don't think it's going to be a quick process. Well, it's definitely not going to be a quick process, but I've started, and I'll at least tidy the bit that I've done today, and we'll come back after a cup of tea and when I've got the screwdriver. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment, and if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to the channel. So far, with the sun in my eyes, I've managed to dismantle the frame on this side and get all the netting off from all the way around, and now I'm going to do the far side. When we built this, we built all of it so it could be just removed completely. So nothing is concreted in apart from one post over there, and that's not even got very much concrete in it. And the idea being that it allows us to be really flexible with how we use the space. So next I need to think about whether I want this netting to come all the way down, fixed down here, or whether I want to fix it at the top and cut it and then just have some windbreak fabric at the bottom so that the centre bit at least hasn't got this green netting on it. Just because visually these big blobs of green netting everywhere are not really very attractive. Whether I just do the easy thing, staple this onto here and have done with it for this year. I think if I've got things growing up in front of it, I won't see it very much. There's no two ways about it. That's looking pretty ugly. So next I'm going to harvest a few of the colettes. We might as well eat them, and I will contact one of my veg box customers who really likes them and see if she'd like a few as well. All of the stems I'm going to take across to the chickens. They'll absolutely love these.